Yeah, so we're gonna give the bike a quick start just to show you, like, bikes are surprisingly tough. Like, it's crazy. Like, you would think a bike goes down and it flips or whatever, maybe it's not gonna start. But I did ride it. I checked the coolant levels. So yeah, she starts right up. Even got signal lights working, headlights working, so the headlight's not broken. This signal light obviously not going to work. And obviously this is not going to work, but you can see our tiny tail is still working. The LEDs are working here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to RideThe6 Rebuild. We've finished episode 1. You've probably watched it. So episode 2 coming at you right now. So episode 1 we did an overview of the bike and see what was damaged. Episode 2 we're going to begin the teardown of the bike. Mainly all the cowlings, the front fairings, the rear tail section maybe if I get that far. But yeah. This is the teardown. Alright guys, I don't know about you, but I am sick of looking at the dirt on this bike. Like, it's always clean. This little bit of dirt and grass, like, it drives me crazy. So, get a little toothbrush here. We're going to kind of clean up some of the stuff around the controls. Give you a little montage, some music to go with it. Alright guys, so now that the bike's cleaned up a little bit, I'm actually going to start dismantling the fairings, getting the fairings out of the way, and we're going to see what kind of damage we have on the front end. Alright, so the first piece is off, the center lower cowl. Okay, so last bolt is out, right fairing is off. Oh, I forgot to unclip my stupid signal light. Hold on a second. Alright, so initial impressions up underneath, I don't see any damage at all on the exhaust. It's pretty good. Yeah, there's no bends or tweaks or anything on the exhaust here. That's some great news actually. Looks really good, really clean. Okay guys, so now that the lower fairing's off, the right side fairing's off, we're going to start dismantling what's left of the front cowl here. So we're going to start over here on this side right here. So as you may have seen in one of my previous videos, there's one screw right here that locks this little decorative vent piece in. Oh, there goes the rubber piece again. There's a rubber on the back of that screw always. And there we go, so our piece is out. This piece is not damaged, other than being a little bit dirty. It is not damaged, so that's good. I did pay a fair bit of money to have these carbon dipped. So that's some money saved there. Alright, so on the other side of the bike, this is the piece that's broken. I recently put this piece on maybe last year, so this piece is fairly new. Let's unscrew it. Just 3 screws holding it to the cowling, which is broken anyway, so it's most likely not going to matter. there's another rubber piece. And there we go. So you just slide it forward. It's all in grooves. Slide it forward to release it and it'll pop right off. Okay guys, so next to come off are the 2 bolts under the mirrors. Oh, there we go. It's starting to come off, this one. Just 2 bolts here on top of the stay bracket that hold them in. There we go. I think I might have got it there. Yep, she's starting to wiggle loose. Wiggle, wiggle. Guys, I know my arm's probably blocking here, but it's the only way I can get in here. There we go. First aftermarket mirror is off. Oh yeah, this side's bent pretty bad. Can't even get in there. Piece of garbage. Alright guys, so I tried to get this one mirror bolt out the other day. This little bracket here is bent. I hope you can see it on the camera. It might be tricky to see. If I show you from the top, you'll be able to see it. See how that piece is bent out, like almost in a triangle shape? So that's the bend in the mount for the left mirror. So I'm going to try to just bend this out. I cannot get underneath it to get the second bolt out for the mirror itself. So I'm just going to put a bit of pressure underneath the thing. I managed to bend it out a little bit. Damn, that shit is strong. Better keep these mirror mounts. Can throw out the old mirrors and shit though. They're no good. Alright, so there we go. So the mirror mounts are off. Yeah, you can see the thing's bent pretty good there. So mirrors are off. So I guess we'll take a look at what's next on the fairing. Alright guys, I think that's going to put a wrap on episode 2. I'm trying to keep the video short. I don't want to really go more than 15 minutes. I mean I could, but I don't want to. You could see I had a bit of problem getting that left mirror off. The stay bracket was bent so much that I couldn't even get at the bolts underneath. And just trying to bend it back, like it just wasn't happening. So I ended up use a little bit of brute force on it, some hammering, and fiddling with it until I actually got the bolts loose. So yeah, so big shout out to the Toronto Raptors, man. We the North. I bought this T-shirt tonight because there was a bet I made with my buddy. I said if they win, I will go and buy some Raptors gear. So him, well, he might have to give up some of his Oasis collection for a little bit, or at least not play it when we're over there. I don't want to hear Oasis, so win-win for me, man. I don't care. I need a new T-shirt. It's red, it's black, it's white. It matches the colors of the bike. I'm probably going to be riding with it anyway. Whatever, man. 30 bucks, 40 bucks. We are the North, and we are the champions. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Episode 3 is coming at you. I'm probably filming a little bit in the past right now. I do have the bike pretty much torn apart. The tail section is off. The nose cone is pretty much off. So we're a little bit in the past, but don't worry. I'm going to get you caught right up. Episode 3 will be, like, whatever's left on the bike will be the complete teardown. So the cowl, the rear fender, you'll see it stripped basically in episode 3. Even if the video is a couple minutes longer, it'll be done. Episode 3 will be the complete of the teardown. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe so you can get notifications when the video is released. And yeah, ride safe guys, the weather's finally nice. Ride safe. Don't do what I did. Don't crash your bike. I still feel stupid. And it kind of sucks because the weather's so nice and I'm already missing the bike, man. So hope to be back with your riding shortly. And yeah, stay tuned.